Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to practice mistakes on Duolingo. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Duolingo, open the app, and after that, as you can see, there is that dumbbell icon on the bottom right of the screen. Click on it, and as you can see here, in your collections there is that mistakes. You can type on it and it will show you all the mistakes that you did, and you can, when you click on start, you can start practicing your mistakes and trying to avoid those mistakes again. And of course, when also you are like trying a new lesson or like practicing a new lesson, if you make a mistake, like when you are practicing this lesson, Duolingo will let you correct your mistakes before you complete the lesson. But here, when I showed you, you can find all the mistakes from all the lessons. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do like this video and see you in the next one.